Hi there everyone, it's Kim Crumpus from the Price Action Traders Institute with a quick video on my trading today during the New York session. Periodically, I like to give myself a 1-hour challenge. It's my own personal challenge to see how much I can get done in just 1 hour of trading. This helps me keep focused and it helps me eliminate a lot of the time-wasting activities that a lot of traders do. And it also pushes me to see what kind of production I can do. So I like to trade, like I said, for 1 hour. And today I started at 7 a.m. Pacific and ended at 8 a.m., 1 hour later. So my routine is I come into my office about 10 minutes before the hour. I go through all my trade plans. I identify and answer the 3 questions to come up with my trade plans. And then I begin looking to enter trades. So let's take a look at my first trade. And this was on the euro dollar. So you can see here. Where my entry was. I had drawn a yellow line. Price came into it. I bought it as it came in. And here was my fill with an 8-pip stop. I had a clear directional move overnight. Like this. I was looking for this. I was looking for further upside movement on the pair. All right, here's the net result of that trade. So again, clear directional move. Here was the entry. Boom, up 15 pips in the bank. My next trade, GU. Same thing. Beautiful clear directional move to the upside overnight. Price was banging around in here. So I drew a yellow line. I actually put a pending order in on this to get filled if price hit here plus my spread, so I wanted to be filled somewhere where I actually got filled. All right, so I used a 10-pip stop on that trade as well. That trade resulted in 22 pips, a nice cool 22 pips. You can see here's the entry, here's the yellow line, boom, 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 up we go. Got out on the burst. The next trade was the ECAD. So on this one, what happened, right? Breakout to the downside, breakout to the upside, and it looks like what? I've got a clear directional move to the upside now underway. So I want to buy this pair. When it comes to the yellow line, I get in the trade looking for further upside movement, and how lovely, I was stopped out for 12 pips. Here's the EA, same thing as the ECAD. We had this move, it looked like it started to break out to the downside. Came back up, broke out to the upside, starting a clear directional move to the upside. I'm looking for further upside movement. Boom, I was stopped out for 12 pips. The next trade, EA. I'm looking to get in again at the next level, down to the upside. So I fire off here. Guess what? Stopped out for another 12 pips. ECAD, I'm going to try the same trade twice, just like I did on the EURUSD, EA I should say. So I bought it here at the next level, looking for a price to go what? Upside. And here's the trade right in here. You can see not a really good punch out, but I ended up booking 12 pips on the trade. So I essentially wiped out the first loss I had on the EuroCAD with this trade. All right, the AU. So the AU, when I was looking at the AU, I was actually stalking this and the AJ this morning because why? They were in ranges, and I like ranges. And on a perceived momentum and breakout, you can see I'm filled up above here, and I'm looking for something like this. Okay. And you can see here's the outcome of that trade. Here's where I was filled. Took it off at plus 15. Next up is the AJ. Same as the AU, right? Was in a range. Like I said, I was stalking these. Started to see the AU move. I wanted to get in here, filled up above this candle at the start of the breakout using a 12-pip stop. Here's the outcome of that trade. Books plus 16. EJ, next trade. EJ had a beautiful clear directional move to the upside. Look for the pullback to get in, 10 pip stop. You can see the outcome of that trade. I grabbed +7. Because why? Because time was out. Time was up. Time was up. I had to get out of those trades. Which, if you look after the fact, it's kind of interesting because they really fell down, as you'll see here on the GJ. All right, so GJ had a beautiful what? Clear directional move to the upside. As price came through this area right here, I grabbed it, looking for further upside movement. In fact, I was so, I don't know, what's the right word, optimistic, that I actually put a limit in on this one in case it popped. 12 pip stop. And you can see what happened here. We got a nice pop, and I was only able to grab 12 pips on it. All right, so what was the result of all of this? Well, first off, let's look at the number of trades I took were 10. I had 7 wins, or 70%, and 3 losers. Okay, the losers, remember, were down here. ECAD, I was hit for -12 in the Euro. Australian, I tried it twice and lost on both those trades. So I had 36 pips lost in a hole. The ECAD, here's the second entry. I netted 12, so essentially these two canceled one another. But then here's the rest. EU15, EJ7, GU22, GJ12, AU15, AJ16 to give me +99 over here for a total of a net 63 pips. So I get to start the week with a positive balance in my trading account and 63 pips already booked. So I'd call that quite successful. I challenge Price Action Traders Institute members to strive to get +50 pips consistently week in and week out. So that's 50 pips in a week for 6 months. It's a really hard thing for many traders to do. All right. But that's it. I hope this helps you in your trading tomorrow. And I'm signing off. Kim Crumpus from the Price Action Traders Institute. Thanks for listening.